Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CSGO stuck on connecting to the network. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to steamstat.us and you need to look if your CSGO servers are not down. Right, as you can see here, it's normal. So basically the problem is not on their end but on yours. And after you look the Steam CSGO servers, the next thing that you can do here, simply you need to go to your Steam and then go to CSGO, go to properties, and then go to local files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. So basically verify integrity of the game files, and after that try the game. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you need to go to search and then just write view network connections, and then go and right click on your internet, go to properties, and then go to internet protocol version 4. And here you just need to press this button here that says use the following DNS server addresses and just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternative DNS server just write 8.8.4.4 and press OK. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you just need to go to settings and then go to network and internet here, and then you need to go to advanced network settings, and here you need to scroll down until you see network reset. So press on that and just reset your network here. All right, and the last thing that you can do here, you can open up CMD or command prompt, and you can write here IP config /flush DNS, right? And after you do that, then you need to change DNS server addresses that I showed you, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.